Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Sheets. Once done, create a new spreadsheet and name it meaningfully. You should set up headers in row 1, freeze that row, and apply bold formatting to make navigation simpler. Next, enter a small sample dataset to test formulas and sorting. Make sure to set column widths and data types, numbers, dates, text, right away. This prevents later errors and keeps your sheet predictable as you move to calculations. Now focus on formulas and structure. You create calculations like equals SUM, B2, B10, and equals average, C2, C10, and you use equals IF logical test, value if true, value if false to add logic. When copying formulas, switch to absolute or mixed references, $1, so references stay fixed when needed. Once formulas work, organize with filters, conditional formatting to highlight anomalies, and data validation to restrict entries. This reduces errors, and once configured, your sheet becomes. To finish, protect sensitive ranges and set sharing permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaborators can do the right work. Download copies as Excel or PDF when required, and use version history to restore prior states if something breaks. If you encounter problems, first inspect formula syntax and cell formatting. Make sure numbers aren't stored as text and check for stray spaces. If that fails, revert to an earlier version or duplicate the sheet and test changes there before applying them to your live file.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.